Right now, we have our first hurricane of the season.
Tropical storm Arthur has just been upgraded to a hurricane as it makes its way up the coastline. Lisa Vaughn now with details.
Yeah, so Tropical Storm Arthur has strengthened into a Category 1 hurricane overnight. So we're talking about Hurricane Arthur this morning. You can see it swirling just off the South Carolina coast. It will continue to push northward throughout the day towards North Carolina throughout the day today. You can see that some of those rain bands are still stretching all the way as far south as southern Florida. So some of those rain bands could affect us this morning. So we'll see some isolated showers in the morning hours, very isolated. Not everybody going to be seeing rain from that. But by this afternoon, we could have the chance for isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. All right, here's Hurricane Arthur. It will track up the northeast coast up towards North Carolina for tomorrow. So looks like if you're headed that way for the 4th of July, not going to be seeing fireworks probably there in North Carolina before it finally shoots off to the northeast up towards Canada over the next couple of days.